and welcome to another Brownie's Beauty. So it's just a quick one today. I'm just doing an unboxing. I have had something from Revolution come today. So just take the packaging in. Okay, so first off we have the In Real Life Filter Foundation. It looks really nice. It says 16-hour wear, breathable, oil-free, and it's soft matte. And I've got it in F2. Then we have the Revolution Pro Cream Skin Perfector CC Skin Tint in the light shade. We have a Revolution Eau de Toilette, which is called Passion. Got a little sample. Oh, that's cute. Then we have the Micro Blade Brow. So I'm going to test that one. And then for anybody that knows me, I'm a massive like 80s 90s rock fan. I love the 80s and 90s, and the rock bands are absolutely brilliant. Number one is probably Queen, just because I am a massive fan of Queen, but I love Def Leppard, Ozzy Osbourne, you know, Twisted Sister, all of them. I love them. AC/DC, Guns N' Roses, the list goes on. Well, I have got these. Can you see? Don't know if you can, but that says Def Leppard. It's a lightning stamp and liquid liner. So, oh, that's cute. It's got like leopard print marks. That's cute. It's got a Def Leppard thing there. Okay, so that's the stamp. I don't know if you can see that very well. Let's do... Okay, so it's left little lightning bolts on my hand. I'm excited to use that. Oh, that is a tip. Right, hold on, let me shake it. It's a bit watery. It's a bit watery on the liner. Not sure if it's supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be like that. Maybe the more I use it, the darker it will get. It's like one side works pretty well, while the other side doesn't. I don't know. Maybe a hit and miss with that one. That's a shame. I like Def Leppard. Check that out. It's Ozzy. I love Ozzy Osbourne. Oh my god, it's a lipstick. How cute is that? It's got a bat on it. Can you see the bat? Oh my god. Like... So let's do a swatch of that. Holy crap. That is stunning. I don't want to keep using it, I just want to save it. Okay, so I like all of them. But today I think I'm going to try using this and see how I get on. So this is the Revolution CC Skin Tint. Let me open you so I can use you. Yay. Okay. Okay, so it's just like a normal squeezy tube. Oh, it's come out white. Ah, I see. When you mix it, it then comes to the colour of your skin, sort of. Yeah, I think that's my shade. Right, so we'll see. I've got a massive spot there, look. It's annoying. Came out yesterday. Did my treatment on it. It's not gone away yet. So I'm just using my fingers for this because it's like, it's just easier to know exactly where has the product and where hasn't, because I'll be able to feel it. Normally I would use a sponge, but if this one is a colour changing one, I'd recommend using fingers. Just because then that way you can make sure the product is heated up as you're mixing it, rather than using it on a sponge and then you're wasting product on a sponge. Now I've been dying for a new foundation or something just lightweight for like the summer, and it's been driving me nuts. Every time I try to pick a shade I never find my own shade, which is bad, you know, when you're like supposed to be like an MUA and you can't find your own shade. So I'm hoping this is going to make me look flawless, but very natural, so we shall see. Okay, so let me have a look in the mirror. So it's not bad actually, it's quite breathable. Obviously I could warm it up by putting some contour on, but I'd say that's pretty much my colour. I'm quite happy with that. It's not sticky. Some foundations, CC creams, they can be quite sticky on your head. It's really breathable, it just feels like my skin. Obviously I'd wash my hands, so it's not got great coverage obviously, because you can still see everything, like, but definitely say it looks better and it looks more natural. Definitely good for summer. So I will try the foundation next. So here I am trying the In Real Life filter in F2. This foundation has had quite a few reviews on the Revolution website, so yeah, I'm hoping it works out. It's a liquid / creamy consistency. I used a slightly damp blender and blended it in. It blends really smoothly. There is a bit of like a strange sort of smell to it. I'm not sure what the smell is, so I think I'm gonna try and try to research on what that is, because it does have a really weird smell. Very similar to sort of like nail polish remover. I'm not sure if that's supposed to smell like that. But it blends really evenly in the skin and it does have a lot of very good coverage. So here I am just showing you half of the face that I've done and the other side of my face that has not been touched. As you can see, it's flawless, no residue, and it is quite breathable on the skin as well. And it does really well covering up redness and dark circles. So as always, thank you very much for joining me. As always, stay spooky, and I will see you again for another video soon.